Hello and welcome to the YouTube channel of Kiosk India. The product in front of you today is a 65-inch digital standee with a 65-inch 4K True HDR display. This display comes with an inbuilt toughened glass in front of the display. This standee color is white. You can get these standees in black, silver, and many other colors as well. You can see there is a video playing on the screen. The standee is very slim. It houses a 65-inch display. It's almost 6 feet in height, 6 feet 2 inch, and the whole standee is portable on wheels. You can move the standee around wherever you want it. And this screen, you can divide the screen into multiple parts. The signage application takes care of that. This whole screen can be divided into multiple parts, like 2 or 3 parts, and you can display videos, photos, slideshows. For example, these some event posters, meeting posters are going on. You can use it for corporate and other users. For example, this advertisement, we'll just check out the volume. It's a very heavy duty speaker. 30 watt plus speaker is there inbuilt, and this is a pure 4K display. See, the quality of the screen is very sharp. The screen is very bright. This screen comes with inbuilt USB ports and memory card. You can see there are 2 USB ports here.
Presents such touch game.
You can play 4K quality videos without any lag. This comes with an Android 11 inbuilt controller with a 32 GB memory, so you can store videos with a storage size of up to 32 GB inside the device. So how to operate is you take a pen drive, you put all the content in the pen drive, like media files, videos, photos, slideshows inside the pen drive, and you connect the pen drive to the pen drive slots which I showed to you before. And when you connect those, automatically the device will start to download all the photos and videos from the pen drive without pressing any button. So just connect the pen drive, it will auto download everything, and when it's done, it will notify you that the data is up to date. Then you can remove the pen drive from the standee, and it will automatically start to play that content. And whenever you switch on this device, this standee, it will automatically start to play all your content in alphabetical order. So very simple to operate. Just insert pen drive, auto copy, remove pen drive, and that's it, done. You get your standee up to date with the latest content. As I said, it features very heavy speakers which are useful. You don't need to have any external speaker. It's very slim, almost 3 inches. It comes with an inbuilt LAN port, power cable, power switch, and these are caster wheels with brakes. You can take this standee to different locations. You can take this standee, it is portable. You can move it around your shop floor or your visiting area. White color looks elegant. It's more suitable for hospitals, corporate institutions, and in different areas in offices. A very high quality 4K Ultra HDR with latest panel, inbuilt toughened glass, heavy duty metal frame, 1.6 mm GI mild steel, powder coated with heavy duty texture finish. You can have different, as I said before, you can have different colors for powder coating. Any choice. You can do branding as well in the lower space which shown. So all in all, a very useful product, especially for jewelry stores, hospitals, corporate institutes, management institutes, education, learning, anywhere with a reception area, airports. This features a very sharp, true 4K, true HDR display. Thank you for watching. Do like and share and subscribe to our channel for more such products. Thank you.